Real estate moves fast, but your lead response should move faster. Meet our bot, the AI-driven bridge between a casual inquiry and a closed deal. On the surface, it's a seamless WhatsApp experience. Your clients engage with a familiar interface to buy, sell, or rent. Notice how the AI instantly handles the heavy lifting, qualifying the lead's budget and intent in real time, without a human agent ever having to lift a finger. As the user, Ace, provides his details, the AI doesn't just chat, it understands. It instantly matches his $300 to $500,000 budget with premium listings like the Azure Bay Villa and the Penthouse Loft, delivering high-value property cards directly to his pocket. But here's where the real magic happens. Behind the scenes, the Active Pulse dashboard provides a live 360-degree view of the lead's journey. Every interaction is synced, scored, and analyzed. You can see the exact moment the lead was qualified, the property search intent, and the automated CRM record creation. With smart AI matching and one-click assign to agent functionality, you're not just managing leads, you're optimizing them for conversion. It's PII synced, secure, and fully automated.
Do you have a similar vision for a game-changing application? Or are you looking to develop a custom platform that pushes the boundaries of technology? We're here to help you build it. Let's turn your idea into the next industry standard. Get in touch with Hackerkernel today.